Personality is not developed in a single day. It is developed in a serious stages. Many psychologists speak about that, like Sigmund Freud, Erickson. Today we are going to speak about this. Myself Sukumar, I am the student of occupational therapy. Sigmund Freud's psychoanalytical theory speaks about components of personality, id, ego and superego. So in this, which part is conscious, which part is unconscious, which part is subconscious. So these are all said by the Sigmund Freud. Now Erikson shows each development of the child. So that is a psychosocial developmental stages. Today we are going to discuss about this. So in psychosocial stages, the main purpose is to develop the ego identity. So ego identity is the conscious sense of self. So this ego identity is developed through the social interaction. If the person handle each stage very well, then the person feels sense of mastery. So that is called ego quality or ego strength. If the person manages poorly each stages, then the person feels sense of okay. What are all the psychosocial stages? First stage, infancy. This stage start from birth to 18 months. In this stage, the babies or meet the basic conflict trust, which is distrust. So the child just confused with can we trust or mistrust. So that like confusions are arised in the infant. Important event happening in this stage is feeding. So caregivers giving care, affection, reliability. Then the child may develop the trust. If these are not happen, then the child may develop mistrust. Then stage 2, early childhood. It starts from shame or doubt. So in this stage, the child is needed to develop a sense of control over their physical skills. So toilet training, any other skills. So and they want to develop a sense of independence. If they achieve it, they develop the autonomy. If they didn't develop this, then the person may develop the doubt or sameness. Then stage 3, this preschool stage. It starts from 3 and end in 5 years. What is the basic conflict in this stage? Initiative versus guilt. So in this stage, the child starts to assert control and power over the environment. So if they achieve it, they feel the initiation. So initiative is there. If they didn't achieve it, they may feel guilt. What's the important event happening in this exploration? So the child start to explore. Then stage 4. This is school age. They start from the 6 years and end in 11 years. What is the basic conflict in this stage? Industry versus inferiority. So important event happening in this stage is schooling. So in this stage, the child needed to cope with the new social skills and academic demands. If they meet it, they feel the sense of competence. If they didn't meet it, they may feel the sense of inferiority. Then stage 5, it is a adolescent stage. It starts from 12 years and end in 18 years. In this stage, the basic conflict is identity versus role confusion. Important event is social relationships are developed in this stage. So these teens need to develop a sense of self and personal identity. So if they achieve it, they stay true to themselves. If they didn't achieve it, their role is confused and they have a weak sense of self. Then stage 6, young adulthood. It starts from age 19 to 40 years. Main conflict is intimacy versus isolation. So in this, young people are started loving, caring the relationships. So success in this leads to successful relationship. Failure in this leads to isolation. Then stage 7, middle adulthood. It starts from the age 40 to 65 years. Main conflict in this stage is generativity or stagnativity. Major event happening in this stage is work and parenthood. So in this stage, they want to create a positive change to the other people. So if they did it, they feel the sense of usefulness and they start a generativity. They start a generation. They produce new positive things. If they didn't meet it, they may stagnant. So they can't produce any other things, any other ideas. They are the stagnant. Then stage 8, maturity. Above 65 till death or maturity. Main conflict in this stage is ego integrity versus despair. So old adults needs to look back to their life and feel a sense of fulfillment. So success at this stage give the feel of wisdom. Failure at this stage give the feel of regret, bitterness, despair and all. So these are all the psychosocial developmental stages given by Erickson. So we are all going to cross these stages and going to try to understand the point of view of the Erickson. Okay, thanks for watching. Be proud to watch our video. Keep supporting me so I also want motivation. Tata, bye bye.